Hello everyone, in today's video I will guide you step by step on how to create an email signature for new Outlook. Towards the end, I will also share 3 important tips to help you make the great impression with your signature, ensuring that your email stand out to the recipient. So first I have opened my new Outlook. The interface is slightly different from the old version. Now I need to click on this new email, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. You can also use Ctrl N or Ctrl Shift M to open this new email. So you will see your new email window appears on the right side. You can also click on this icon to open in a new window. So I will open in a different window to show you clearly. Now you need to click on this insert tab over here and you will see an option which is signature. When you click on this drop down, there is an option signatures. Click on it and you are redirected to the settings dialog box where accounts is already selected and here signature is selected. Now you will see this is my existing signature which I have already added in this new Outlook. So to create a new signature from scratch, you need to first click on this new signature option. Here you need to name your signature. So I name it Mail Smartly, which is my channel name. Now here, this is the area where you need to create your signature. And you will see few tools here, few options. When you click on this button, you will see additional options available here, which can help you to manage, align and give some additional effects to your signature. So in my previous video, you have learned that how you can create a signature in Microsoft Word and simply copy that signature and paste into the signature section. But for new Outlook, when you try to copy and paste it, I will show you. I have copied that signature from Microsoft Word and I paste it over here. So you will see your signature is pasted here, but the image and the logos of your social media network are missing. So to complete this signature, you don't have to worry. Simply put your cursor over here, click on this option, insert picture in line, and you are again redirected to your system. And I have already saved all the related icons and images. So I select my image here, click open and my image is added here. Now in case of icons, I need to repeat the same. I have added 3 logos of YouTube, Facebook and LinkedIn. I can also resize them by dragging the corners like this. It looks perfect. Now the next point, after adding the signature, it is very important to add the hyperlinks. So simply select the URL. I have selected my URL and you will see a small tab opens here and this is the hyperlink option. You can also use Ctrl K keyboard shortcut to add the hyperlink like this. When I select this, hit Ctrl K and that will ask me first display as. This is my URL address and I need to add the same in here. So I need to first click OK. My URL is added here. Similarly, you need to add your related Facebook link, your YouTube link and your LinkedIn link over here with the images. And once your signature is ready, you simply need to hit save. Close this box. Now I will show you how I can insert the signature while creating my email. So put your cursor in the message body, go to signature and you will see both my signature is available here. I simply hit this Mail Smartly and boom, you will see my signature is added here and that will look attractive to your recipient. Point number 1, always keep the font size and style consistent to ensure your recipient can easily read your signature. It's important that your entire email, including the signature, uses the same font, size and style for the cohesive look. You can differentiate your signature by using the different colors you needed, but the font size and style should remain uniform throughout the email, including the signature. Point number 2. Don't forget to include important links in the email signature, such as your website URL, the location, and your social media links. You will make it easier to the recipient to directly click on the links and access your information, making it more convenient to connect with you. Point number 3. When creating a professional email signature, it is essential to include key information such as your full name, job title, company name, and contact details like your phone number, email address, and your website. You can also optically add social media links if they are relevant. Point number 3. When creating a professional email signature, it is essential to include key information such as your full name, your job title, your company name, and your contact details like your phone number, your email address, and your website. You can also optically add social media links if they are relevant to your role. However, it is important to avoid overcrowding the signature. Keep it clean and uncluttered, ensuring that the design does not overwhelm the recipient. Stick to the simple layout with clear spacing between lines and the section to maintain the polished and professional appearance. So at the end, I hope you have learned something new from this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.